Okay, so today we're talking a little bit about what congruent means. And I just kind of want to give you a quick video and explain what we're kind of dealing with when we look at a symbol like this. Okay, and this is our symbol for congruent here. And there's a couple things that this is telling us. One, it's talking about this idea of similar. So you have this part of the congruent this symbol that is meaning similar. So one way to look at that is to say, okay, let's look at two circles. These two circles have the same shape. So when we're talking about this symbol of similar, we're mainly talking about shape here. This is what we're talking about. We're trying to deal with shape. And if you see, these two circles have the same shape. When we are working with the equal sign, we're talking more about measurement and numbers. Okay? This is the equal part of it. So we could say maybe 4 is equal to 4 because we're talking more about measurement. I like to say we're talking about size. So this is more talking about size here when we're dealing with the equal sign. So in this one, we're dealing with shape in our similar symbol, and with this one, we're dealing with equal. 4 is equal to 4. Well, what happens when I take a shape and provide a measurement to it to give it size, like this circle here, which has a radius of 4, well, then I could say that they're congruent because they have the same size and shape. And that's ultimately what congruent means. Congruent means something has the same size and shape. Again, it has the same measurement, a radius of 4. It would be just as if I said, okay, let's look at a square with sides 3 and 3, congruent to another square with sides 3 and 3. These are congruent because they're the same shape, they're a square, and they're the same size. They have size of 3, maybe 3 inches. Let's give a unit there. Where if I were working with squares and wanted to say they were similar, okay, they're both squares, but they're not the same in size. So these would be similar, but maybe not congruent. So I hope this kind of gives you an idea of what this symbol is telling you, the two parts to it, the similar part and what that means, and the equal part and what that means. Ultimately, shape and size is what is being told to you.